Hi guys, this is Sogan. Welcome to Sogan's Crochet. Today I want to teach you the pattern of this beautiful bag strap or curtain strap. So let's see together. Start the slip knot and chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip one chain and make a single crochet in next chain. Make a single crochet in next chain. Make a single crochet in next chain and make a single crochet in last chain. Chain 1 and turn. Make a single crochet in first chain, make a single crochet in second chain, make a single crochet in third chain, and make a single crochet in fourth chain. Chain 1 and turn. Make a single crochet in first chain, make a single crochet in second chain. Now I'm going to crochet a single crochet in these two loops of first single crochet of previous row. Make a single crochet, skip third stitch and make a single crochet in fourth stitch. Chain 1 and turn. Make a single crochet in first stitch, make a single crochet in second stitch, make a single crochet in the stitch of first single crochet of previous row. Skip third stitch and make a single crochet in last stitch. Chain 1 and turn. Keep going. Now I reach my desired length. It's so easy to make. If you like this video, please support me by commenting and subscribing. See you soon. Bye.